Hello students, welcome back to online classes of Darbar Government Senior Secondary English Medium School Sambarle. Students, in our previous class we have studied the second lesson and we have done the back exercise of the second lesson, and today students we are going to read the chapter 3rd, the rats and the elephants. Students, we will go through the chapter and we will try to understand the meaning of the chapter and the story of the chapter. We will read the story of the chapter. Okay, before doing the reading, there are some comprehension question. Let's read that questions. Are we all of the same size? Let's think, are we all of the same size? No, some are shorter, some are longer, and some are middle height. We are not of the same height. Okay, the next is, can a smaller animal help a bigger animal? Can you think that a small animal can help a bigger animal? Think over it. You are often asked to help your younger sisters and brothers. Do you help them? Students, your parents ask you to help your younger brothers and younger sisters. Do you help them? Think over it. How do your younger brothers and sisters help you? Your younger brothers or sisters, how they help you? I think there are many experiences in your life that you have faced this situation, that your younger brother and younger sister and your youngers had helped you in many works. Okay, so on this theme, this story is based on this theme. Okay, let's read. Long, long ago, a group of rats lived happily in a forest. Long, long ago. This incident is of long, long ago, in the ancient time. Sorry. A group of rats lived happily. There was a group of rats that lived in a forest very happily, very enjoyable. One day, a herd means the crowd, means a group of elephants, passed through the area in search of water. That area where the rats lived. A herd of elephants passed through that area. For what? In search of water. Many homes of the rats were destroyed. As you know, students, as you know, the elephant is of a very big size animal, and where it is passed, it destroys the many things. It destroys the earth, it destroys the trees, it kills the many animals, small animals that live under the earth and live on the earth and live in the holes. The many animals are killed under their feet when they cross or when they pass through that place. So the incident happened that time that many homes of the rats were destroyed, and the herd of elephant passed that place, and when they passed, many homes of rats, many holes of rats where the rats were living were destroyed under their big feet, because their elephants feet were very big, so they destroyed the rats homes. Some rats were also killed, and they killed some rats also. The king of rats, Mushak Raj, the king of rat, that was called Mushak Raj was the king of rats, went to the king of elephant. Then when he see, then many rats were killed and many homes of rats were destroyed under the feet of the foot of the elephants. So the Mushak Raj went to the Gajraj, the king of elephant, Gajraj, and requested him to take his herd through another route to the pond. He requested to Gajraj that they should, means the herd of elephants should move to the another route. They may take another route to the pond. He accepted the request, and the Gajraj accepted the request. and told the elephants to take the other way. And he ordered the elephants to take other way without disturbing the rats. Okay, Gajraj accepted the request and he ordered his subordinates to move on the other way, take the another way, and without destroying or disturbing the rats. Sorry. Mushak was very happy and pleased with Gajraj. Mushak was very happy. He became very happy because they were saved, their tribe were saved. So he was very happy and pleased with Gajraj. He thanked him. Sorry. He thanked and promised that the rats would always be ready to help the elephant if needed. Means he promised if we are getting help, if we got help from someone, then we thank them and we make a promise that we will help if they need in future. Then like this also, the Mushak Raj also promised thank to the Gajraj and also promised that the rats would always be ready to help them, to help the elephants if they needed. Hearing this, when Gajraj heard this, the elephants in the herd laughed, thinking how small rats could help big elephants. They were thinking that rats are so small creature that then how can they help the so big elephants? So thinking this, they laughed. After a few months, one fine day, it was a fine day when the rats were playing, the rats were enjoying their games, etc. They heard loud shouts of the elephant. They heard some noises and shouting noises of the elephants coming from the direction of the pond. The loud noise, loud shouts were coming from the direction of the pond. Mushak Raj realized that elephants were in some danger. Mushak Raj thought that elephants must be in the danger. So he asked some of the strong rats. He asked some of the strong rats, some of the strong his subordinates in his group to come along and went in the direction of that sound. Means he taken up taken together all some of the strong rats with him and he went to the direction of the pond, direction of the sound. Near the pond they saw the elephant caught in the traps, and near the pond they saw that elephants were caught in the traps. Traps means jal, means shikar. They were caught in traps kept by some hunters. The rats quickly started biting the ropes. They started to bite the ropes with their sharp teeth. Soon the elephants were set free, and when they when they bit the rope with their sharp teeth, and they made the elephants free. They thanked the rats. They thanked, and now when the rats had helped the elephants to get free, then elephants thanked the rats and also felt sorry because they laughed at the promise of Mushak Raj. When Mushak Raj promised Gajraj that they will help someday to the elephant, then the elephant laughed. For that, they were ashamed for making fun of their small size. Okay, students, we have read this story, and I think we have learned something from this story that size doesn't matter. Okay, anybody can help anybody. It's no matter that if you are a small size, if you are big size, it doesn't matter. Okay, students, the back exercise we will do in our next class. Okay, till then, take care, have a nice day.